Most welcome student. Today is very important topic polymer. It is a very important topic for 12th class. So what is the mean of the polymer? Poly means many, mer means molecule. For example, n mole of ethylene add and form polyethylene. Now after that we are coming is what is the difference between polymer and macromolecules? Remember that polymers are called macromolecules, but macromolecules are not called polymer. It means all polymers are coming in macromolecules, but all macromolecules are not coming in polymer. Because macromolecule may or may not be monomer, but polymer always have its own monomer. For example, here I am taking chloroform. Chloroform don't have any monomer. It means it is coming in macromolecules. It never coming in polymer. After that, I am coming the classification of polymer. First one is on the basis of origin. First natural, like starch and cellulose and protein. They are natural polymer. Second is synthetic. It means it's prepared in a lab, like a PVC and polythene. After that we are coming in semi-synthetic polymer. It means we know that on the basis of its name, semi means half. Synthetic means actually it is a modification in natural polymer in a lab and change into polymer. So this is semi-synthetic. For example, cellulose acetate. Cellulose is a natural polymer, react with chemical acetate, then it change into cellulose acetate. Similarly, natural rubber is react with the sulfur, then this is changed into vulcanized rubber. After that I am coming on the basis of structure. Linear chain polymer, it means in a linear shape like a polythene and nylon. Second one is a branch chain, it means not linear, only branch. And remember that it has a low density, low tensile strength, low melting and boiling point. Next is cross-link polymer, network polymer. It means linear arrangement and as well as network form. It means in a cross. So this is called cross-link polymer. Here I am draw its structure. Example is bakelite or glyptal. After that I am coming the next classification on the basis of mode of polymerization. First one is addition polymer. It means it formed by only unsaturated carbon compound like alkene and alkyne, and it has also two parts. First one is a homopolymer. Homo means same or single. It means it formed by same type of monomer. It means n mole of ethylene is added and changed into polythene. After that we are coming the next copolymer. Co means together. It means two compound. यानी कि यहाँ दो compound होते हैं add होकर के single बनाते हैं. So this is called copolymer. For example, here butadiene add with styrene then form buna S. Buna styrene. This is copolymer. यहाँ दो compound से मिलके बना है. So this is called Buna S. Next one is on the basis of condensation. In condensation you remember that add plus removal of water. So this is called a condensation. For example, nylon 6,6. Nylon 6,6 is formed by hexamethylene diamine of a 6 carbon with n mole of adipic acid which is also 6 carbon. So that this is called nylon 6,6. They add and form a condensation polymer with removal of water. So this is called condensation polymer. And you also remember that nylon 6,6 is also coming in polyamides. Next one is on the basis of molecular forces. First one is the elastomer. It has a weak intermolecular forces like a natural rubber and Buna S. And the second one is a fiber, strong intermolecular forces like hydrogen bonding, and they have a high tensile strength, crystalline nature. For example, terylene and nylon 6,6 and ropes. After that, thermoplastic. It is coming intermediate between elastomers and fibers. And the second characteristic, when heated, they melt and form a fluid which set into hard mass on cooling, like a polythene and polystyrene. And after that, we are coming in the thermosetting plastic. Thermosetting plastic has a low molecular mass, and when heated they become hard and brittle and infusible due to the cross-link structure, and they make a three-dimensional structure. For example, bakelite and formaldehyde resin. This is the last type of classification of polymer. We are coming in the same chapter in the next video. Thank you and thanks a lot.